It's your turn to visit the Cherokee Nation and explore 66,000 acres of lush Oklahoma countryside, scenic lakes and rivers, and engaging cultural attractions, like the Cherokee National Supreme Court Museum. Built in 1844 and located in Tahlequah, it is the oldest government building in the state of Oklahoma. It was built just after the main body of the Cherokee people were removed into Indian Territory. The tribe had drafted the 1839 Constitution, which continued the three branches of government system which they had utilized in the eastern homelands. The judicial branch included a Supreme and District Court system, and they were housed in this building. Many of the laws that were enacted through these courts were published in the tribal newspaper, the Cherokee Advocate. It was the first newspaper in what is now Oklahoma, and its headquarters were later housed in this building. The Advocate was written in both Cherokee and English and was the primary means of the Cherokee Nation to inform its people from 1844 to 1906, after which the nation was systematically shut down due to the Curtis Act of 1898. Listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the structure was fully restored and opened as a museum in 2009. Now, visitors to the museum can view the last Cherokee Advocate printing press and can learn more about the Cherokee judicial system, our written language, and our history and culture through a variety of historical artifacts and displays. To plan your visit to the Cherokee National Supreme Court Museum, go to visitcherokenation.com.